Legends, welcome back. In our ongoing series of the Mission Possible, this one is MP number 23 in reference to the referral systems. In brief, the Faucet Referral System, the Drip Garden Referral System, Piggy Bank Referral System, and the Animal Farm Referral System. Let's engage. Now, the drip faucet. Now, the referral system for the faucet is totally different than all the others because a buddy address is needed to sign up for the faucet. You can always use the, basic address, which is going to be for the marketing. If you don't want to particularly sign up under anybody, that's totally up to you. Now, like I said, there for the alternate, you can sign up under the dev wallet. Just select the support marketing and development button, and it will add that particular wallet address in there for your buddy address. After you enter your choice, now you can sign up. And you are not required to bring anyone under you. This is not network marketing. This is not multi-level marketing. This is nothing like that. Once you open up your wallet, you can go from that point to max wallet without talking to another single person at all. That is up to you. So again, you can either do it as an individual endeavor or you can do it as a team leader. Your choice. Let's move. Now again, in reference to the faucet, there are two types of requirements to access the Drip Network Faucet Reward System. Number one, if you were going to be a team leader, you're going to be required to have BREAP tokens in your wallet, at least 2 of them, to gain access to the first level below you. What I'm referring to, for me, say you're going to sign up under me. I need to have at least 2 BREAP tokens in my wallet in order to receive the referral bonus when you join. Boom. And it goes from 2 all the way down to 1,500 tokens to go to 15 levels. It's the Fibonacci thing is what he used to do that. You see that in the next slide. And then a further requirement, which is not so much based on the tokens, is that you need to have a positive net value of your account, which is calculated as deposits plus the hydrate plus your airdrops sent minus your received has to be greater than your claims. You cannot just sit there and claim. If you're not net positive, you will not receive the referral bonus. This is the amount of BREAP tokens that you're going to be required to have in your wallet. Once you purchase them, all you have to do is sit them in. They just sit there in your wallet. The smart contract can read it, and then you will be rewarded your referral bonuses. And again, what you need to understand is it's unlimited numbers. So I sign up, I'm here, or I'm right here, and I sign up 50 people on my level 1. I only need to have 2 BREAP tokens. I can have 500 million people under me on level 1 with the same just 2 tokens. So that's what you have to remember. Same thing if I can go to the next level. And if I want to go to level 2, I need to have at least 3 BREAP tokens. And again, I could have 500,000 people sign up under here, or I could just have just 5 people. It doesn't matter how many people go to the left or to the right on that particular level. You just need to have that same requirement of BREAP tokens. Let's go to level 10. For you to get anybody on level 10, you need to have 144 BREAP tokens sitting in your wallet. At that point, you could have 1 million here, 1 million on every single level, and you could have 300 million, everybody in the United States on level 144 for the same 144 BREAP tokens. Boom. Now for the Drip Garden. Being referred is not required to invest in the Drip Garden. It's not the same. Like I said, the one for the faucet is totally different. You can go out and just join the Drip Garden on your own without any referral at all. You can send or pass along your referral link at the bottom of the garden site to your friends and family if you choose to be a leader or a team leader for the garden. Now, when the person or the persons that you gave your referral link clicks the link and purchases some seeds, the smart contract will automatically send seeds worth 5% of their purchase to your garden immediately. Note, it does not take 5% of what they purchased. If they purchased 10,000 seeds, they're going to get 10,000 seeds. Boom. Meaning, like it says there, if they purchase $77 worth of drip BUSD LPs, that's exactly what they're going to have deposited in 10 air accounts, $77 worth of plants / seeds or LPs. The Piggy Bank. Now, the Piggy Bank referral system is based on DRIP's highly successful BREAP dependency model, which, like I said again, is the Fibonacci sequential progression. The referral bonus you receive depends on how many dogs you have staked in the dog pound. This not only heavily incentivizes the dog staking, but also prevents self-referral leeching, which means if I decided to create I'm in the dog pound already, I'm in the piggy bank, and then I decide to open up another piggy bank under me under my own wallet, I'm still going to be required to have this certain amount of dogs staked. And these are the dogs that are required. To max out your bonus of 5%, you need to have a minimum of 13 dogs staked in the wallet. Boom. If not, if you only have 2 or none, then you won't receive any bonus at all. 2 dogs, 1%, 3 dogs, 2%, 5 dogs, 3%, 8 dogs, 4%, 13 dogs, 5%. And if we want to refer back again, see that 2, 3, 5, 8, 13? That's that Fibonacci sequential progression. Okay. Now for the animal farm. Now the link for your referral link for you to refer others to is on the bottom of the animal farm homepage, or on the animal farm page. In the farm, you will earn referral bonuses based on what they claim, not on what they deposit. Why? Say I went in there today and I deposit $1,000. You would just receive that bonus one time and that's it. That's not any good. So the mastermind and the rest of the team decided that the claim is not going to be is not going to be based on the deposit. It's going to be based on what you claim. The claim is the factor. So the more they deposit, the more they earn, and the longer they are in the farm, the more bonuses you receive. So I put that $1,000 in, and then I'm going to go every day and claim $100. That's where you're going to receive a bonus every day when I go in there to claim. So instead of just receiving one on the deposit, say I go in there and I claim for the next 30 days. That means you're going to get 30 bonuses. I don't do the amount because it just depends on how much I'm claiming. So that's why Mastermind and the team did it that way. I'm telling you, when he creates, that's why I call him Mastermind. Forex Shark does not pay him justice. I know Ray calls him the mighty leader. Mastermind is the only term that seems for him to fit. How do you come up with this? But so again, let me say that again. In the farm, you earn your referral bonus based on what they claim. So I would not receive it on your initial deposit. Say you put $1 million in there, I would get no bonus. I don't get a bonus until you start to claim. So you put $1 million in there January 1st, and then every day for the rest of that year, you go in and claim $1,000. I would receive a bonus based on that $1,000 that you claim every day for the rest of that year. I don't know how he does it. Legends, this is for informational and educational purposes only, never intended as any type of financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. So don't take no financial advice from me. I'm just sharing some knowledge to help you navigate in and out and throughout the entire drip and animal farm ecosystem. Because it's one in the whole, it's all one in the same. Now, always remember the 3. Number 1, crypto is an individual endeavor. You always do what's best for you and your family and your family's finances because it's your responsibility, not mine, not another influencer's, nobody in drip, not even masterminds. He's doing his part. You have to do your part and you make those decisions because it's your responsibility. Number 2, we have the best development department, which is ran by the mastermind and the rest of the developers. And we have the best community in all of crypto, almost 130,000 strong. We are committed to each other. We support each other. Just the same way I'm supporting you right now. We're providing you the MPs and the other videos. And of course, number 3, increase your knowledge, reduce your risk. That is the sole purpose of the MPs, comma, the sole purpose of the What's Next series, comma, the sole purpose of the What's If series, comma, as well as when I show my son's account and my granddaughter's accounts of what you can do for your family members, especially if they're young, and the amount of time to have them grow. Oh my goodness. The compound interest is just phenomenal. But that's the sole purpose of my YouTube channel and the sole purpose of the MP series, especially the Fire series that's built into the MP series. If you haven't seen the rest of the videos, we're well past over 60 videos. Anyhow, so please like, share, comment, and subscribe to all of my legends. As you see cash flow right there, engage. You have 7 seconds.